I have to go. Do I need a mask to go into the restroom? No one's wearing a mask here. So what are we supposed to do? Like?
Hello.
Oh god.
Just kidding.
You think?
It took 3 days.
I'm gonna die though. Hopefully I'll die on the. You're gonna die on the car. Okay.
No, don't die on the car.
How did you do it? Stop.
You're not in the video, mother.
Oh yeah, you're not even in the video, mom. She didn't want to be.
Okay. Yeah, just burping at me.
I took my first dookie. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm gonna say excuse me after every burp. You should try seeing your ABCs.
Okay, you're making it move.
No, sorry. Oh, it's like, you know what? Screw you, Isis. I'm holding on to the ball.
Shula, stop fucking shaking the car.
I know. Stop fucking moving. Stop moving.
I don't look like I'm part of the family. I look like I'm a different species.
You are a different species. You're called the annoying crew. Lactose intolerant. Yes. I'm sorry. I'm laughing. That's why it's moving.
Me too.
Bro, when Sheila burps, she burps at me. I'm like getting attacked here.
Sexy. Sexy. Persistent. Manly. Why do we make these noises when we burp?
I don't know.
Stop laughing. Tied. You need to get in the camera when you do this.
I'm so done. She's at me. I'm like,
It's not at you. It's towards the camera.
I'm camera, right?
No, what? You're just gonna deal. I don't know. I did it. It was scary, but I did it.
Bro.
Oh god, this is so bad.
This is disgusting.
This is so bad. It's 190 calories.
I don't like. I drank 2 of these. You know, I'm gonna be peeing out some really dark yellow today.
I need a shave. I look like a cactus. Cactus legs. Does this happen to anybody else when you drink a lot of water for one day and all of a sudden your pee is clear?
Okay, we're a burping video, not a peeing video.
Next video.
No.
That's a lot.
Chill, let us have that soda if you were not going to be burping like that, Ma.
I know.
I thought it would help, but it didn't. I got the most littlest burps.
Yeah, I got the most girliest burps ever.
Okay.
It sounds like a car.
Since we're out of soda, now we have to make them. Okay, ready, guys?
Oh, sorry, my bad.
I have already swallowed my burp. It's
Like, oh god,
it's already in my intestines. It's going to come out the other way. Thank you. It's going to take 2 more days, damn it.
And mine came out the other way.
Hers came out the other way first. As soon as we started the video, she was like,
Okay. Try to do this again, okay? Like. She went like this.
Exactly. I was like,
oh!
So how do you think she's doing?
good.
My first try wasn't that good. Are y'all ready?
We'll be right back.